Brothers and sisters, my name is B. Venkat, All India Agriculture Workers Union General Secretary. I would like to share with you on today union budget. Everyone knows agriculture workers in India more than 23 crores. We are belongs to Dalits, Adivasi, OBC and upper caste poor people. We are facing many problems: land issue, housing, employment, inequality, etc. etc. We are expecting central government some additional budget allocation for our needs. Unfortunately, under the leadership of Narendra Modi, this budget very negative impacts on agriculture workers and rural workers. Firstly, on food security, food subsidy. Yesterday, economic survey says in India, food items prices increased double, means 3.8 to 7.5%. This is wholesale price, not a retail price. In this budget, at least central government have addressed nothing. 2 years ago, regarding food security, central government spended more than 272 crores. Last year revised budget, 212,000 crores. This year they allotted only 205,000 crores. Means comparatively last 2 years, 30% of food subsidy reduced by central government. What the indication? What the condition? Nirmala Sitharaman told food security means not a ordinary food, quality food, means meat, milk, egg, vegetable, fruits, etc. etc. How can possible reduce this food security budget? This is one thing. This is increasing hunger index in India. That is the one dangerous thing is there. Second one is employment. In India, everyone talking about unemployment. This rural India, MNREGA provided some employment for poor people. 2 years ago, this government's expenditure on MNREGA more than 90,000 crores. Revised estimation 86 crores. This budget allocation also same 86 crores. How can provide additional employment in rural India? How can reduce the migration? How can provide the employment? Everyone in intellectuals, not only intellectuals, many Indians, they are waiting this budget at least 2 lakh crore for Employment Guarantee Act. This is also neglected. Food security neglected. Employment generation also neglected. Thirdly, in the NDA partners, they are the crafts, including Prime Minister also. About 3 crores Pradhana Mantri Awas Yojana means housing. What is the reality? Last time you have allotted 55,000, expenditure 32,000. Now also you allocated 34,000 crores. Means 40,000 of allocation did not spend in housing. This is the reality. What that the portion, Anganwadi portion, midday meals, last year 21,000 you have allotted. This year also same budget. What about pre-metric scholarships for post-metric scholarship for Dalit and Adivasi? What about farmers fertilizers allotment? 2 years ago, central government allotted for fertilizer 2,55,000 crores. This year, last year 2 lakh crores, 1,88,000 crores. This year you reduce 1,64,000 crores. This is the reality. So, central government, they are thinking, they are always, they concentrating on corporates. This is the reality. In trade unions demand against labor codes, agricultural workers, we are requesting to central government food, land, employment, reduce inequality. Nothing. In welfare budget, how much you are given? How much you have allotted for welfare? Only for 55,000 crores. 25,000 crores belong to Dalits and Adivasi in India. They are the ruling class. They are the rural agricultural workers. They are the producing class in rural India. This is the reality. This is the actual. For example, you are neglecting some states also. Kerala, one of the model state of public distribution system, education, employment, powers to the rural areas. You should encouraging like Kerala, like that policies. You should more money give to Kerala. But this budget neglected the Kerala people also. You reduce the corporate tax. You reduce the GST on luxury items. You increase the GST on other things. This is the corporate budget. This is the second side. Yesterday, you have allowed to employees in RSS. Means you encouraging communalism. You destroying our constitution spirit, secularism, equality. So this budget encouraging on corporates, this budget favor to rural rich, this budget favor to